Hey drumheads, welcome back. I'm Teddy Kelleher, and today we're getting creative with the inverted paradiddle. Hopefully you saw my last lesson on the single paradiddle, because the inverted paradiddle is similar, but like the name suggests, the pattern is inverted. Instead of right, left, 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 the inverted paradiddle is right, left, right, left. The inverted paradiddle is not one of the 40 essential rudiments, but it'll prove to be an essential weapon in your drumming arsenal. So let's check it out. The first orchestration is a fill. The right hand moves around the kit, playing the toms and snare, and the left hand stays on the snare and plays ghost notes. The pattern is right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Here it is at 60 beats per minute. And 90 beats per minute. And 120 beats per minute. In context. The second orchestration is also a drum fill. The right and left hands will be moving around the drum set. Singles will be played on the toms. Diddles will be played on the snare. And the pattern is right, left, right, left, right, left, left, crash. Here it is at 60 beats per minute. And 90 beats per minute. And 120 beats per minute. In context. And for the third orchestration, we're taking the dog for a walk. What would a paradiddle be if it couldn't groove? The elements of the groove are fairly simple. Have the right hand either on the ride or the hi-hat. The left hand is going to stay on the snare, playing ghost notes, except for the 2 and 4. All right, you really want to accent that backbeat. I like to play this pattern with the bass drum on 1 and 3, but I also like to accent the of 1 and the of 3. So the groove is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is at 60 beats per minute on the ride, ghost notes on the snare, emphasizing the backbeat on 2 and 4, playing the bass drum 1, 3, Here it is at 60 beats per minute. And 90 beats per minute. And 120 beats per minute. All right, you sound great. Now let's put it all together. Thank you so much. I had a great time. Please practice these, and as always, be as creative as you want to be, okay? Just because I give you suggestions, it doesn't mean that's exactly how you have to do it, all right? You have to develop your own drumming voice. These are merely suggestions. Have fun with it. Go wild with it, all right? Please like and subscribe for more, and happy drumming. We'll see you next time.